Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you are doing fantastic. Today we are going to talk about alternatives. It won't be any dupes or anything. I will just give you the alternatives to the other popular fragrances, whether those alternatives are cheaper or maybe they are better in the quality. So if you are curious what are my alternatives, and this video will be called like by this, not that, instead of that, or something like this. So if you are interested, please stay with me. My name is Justina. This is my perfume world. If you like it here, please consider subscribing, leave a like, leave a comment, and let's go. So the first one will be Tom Ford Lost Cherry. And what do I recommend instead of Tom Ford Lost Cherry? I recommend fragrance that I fell in love with when I first smelled it. And of course, it's none other than Cherry Punk from room 1015. I absolutely love this smell. And it has much better price than Tom Ford Lost Cherry. For me, prices of Tom Ford perfumes are just insanely high. So I do not see the point of paying it. And here you have niche company, you have niche perfume house, with very original fragrances, with very original profile. And this one, it has this cherry from Tom Ford Lost Cherry, of course, but it is accompanied with leather, with prominent tonka bean note. So beautiful. It smells like very luxurious leather jacket combined with cherries, of course. Very good. Intoxicating, beautiful, stunning, very like punk rock. I absolutely love it. I also have extra version, and actually, on me, they are really the same, but you need to test it out because I've heard that on many people it smells differently. However, Cherry Punk, room 1015, amazing stuff. So yeah, that is first alternative. Another one is Kilian Angel's Share. And for me, Kilian Angel's Share is too spicy, too in your face, you know, and it has this like stale perfume note on my skin. I don't know why, but it smells like the perfumes that are expired, which I didn't appreciate, to be honest. So I do have a better alternative and much better price, of course, and it's Sun Desert at Sunset from Zara. And now Zara is withdrawing perfumes and they are changing the packaging. Probably now that's perfume that you have in Zara are the same, but they have different packaging. So basically you need to check it out. However, all in all, I'm recommending you to try Sun Desert at Sunset because for me, it is much smoother, much elegant, much more refined. And basically it's suitable for every period of the year. Because even when in summer I'm using this fragrance, it doesn't bother me at all. It has some like even fruity aspect to it. It has chocolate, it has tonka bean, which pulls slightly like cherry-ish, something like this. Maybe that's why it is suitable for me for those warmer months, who knows. But all in all, it's much smoother, like, you know, likable version of Kilian Angel's Share for me. And of course, it's much better price. So yeah, Sun Desert at Sunset from Zara. And another one will be alternative for Ex Nihilo Fleur Narcotic. And I have here Maison Alhambra Narcotic Flower. And of course, I know there are other dupes from other Arabic brands. However, I do not know. I did not test them out. I do like this dupe and I'm using it and I like it and I recommend it. And so I won't be talking about something I don't know. Oh, this one has every aspect that Ex Nihilo Fleur Narcotic have for me, and each aspect I like. This one is like your rose and peony petals dipped in very crystal clear musk. That's what I get from this fragrance. However, you need to test it out because some people do not like the scent profile. They do not tolerate Ex Nihilo Fleur Narcotic or Narcotic Flower. So you need to test it out. But for me, it is very beautiful, everyday fragrance, very elegant, suitable for every occasion. So good. And this dupe is just 10 out of 10 for me. So yeah, Narcotic Flower from Maison Alhambra. Another one will be from Navitus. And this one is Lost in a Dream. And I'm not telling you not to buy this fragrance or anything. However, if you have difficulties with obtaining Lost in a Dream, you may want to check out Commodity Milk. I have here Commodity Milk Plus For me, those fragrances are really, really similar. Of course, on each skin, it will be different, and you may like any other aspect of this or that fragrance, of course. And this video is only my take on alternatives. It doesn't mean they will suit you or anything, but I'm just giving you the playground, you know, to test and to play with fragrances. That's the purpose. And as I said, opinions are just mine. But all in all, if you have any difficulties with obtaining Lost in a Dream, you may want to check out this Commodity Milk. It has tonka bean, it has marshmallows, it has ebony wood. Very beautiful, like toasted marshmallowy effect. I really like it. I really like it. It's very strong, potent. So yeah, Commodity Milk Plus. And another one is, of course, ever so famous YSL Baby Cat. However, this one is very, very hard to come by. And if you are on a hunt, you may see it has really, really big prices. So I do not recommend Baby Cat. Instead, just get Rifaqaat from Paris Corner. Packaging, 10 out of 10, and I'm very picky. And this is, I think, the prettiest Arabic fragrance bottle I have in my collection. Very beautiful, sturdy. The glass is really thick and heavy, and it's so beautiful. I have it here. It's like churchy vanilla. Your perfect churchy vanilla, and that is it. If you like Baby Cat and you have craving after this fragrance, you cannot find it anywhere, just get Rifaqaat, because it's just beautiful. Those resins, this vanilla, just beautiful. Incensey vanilla Rifaqaat from Paris Corner. Another one is Acrobake, and instead of Acrobake, which is quite expensive and on me too sweet and sticky, instead of this, I would recommend you buy Lemon Tart from Theodoros Kalotinis. I really do love his fragrances, and this one is straight up lemon tart. If you spray it, you are surrounded with this delicious, you know, buttery crust from a pie and creamy lemon custard, which is slightly sour, which I really love because I also do not like to eat too sweet cakes. And this is just perfect. This is just perfect. As I said, Acrobake pulls too sweet on me, for me sometimes. So I do not appreciate it at all. But this one is your perfect summer gourmand. Lemon Tart from Theodoros Kalotinis. Very, very good. So alternative to Acrobake. Another one is Lancôme Oud Bouquet. And here I have cheaper alternative. And this one is not so potent, not so harsh. And this one is 25th of March from Profumo di Firenze. And if you like this rose oud saffron combo, here also we have coffee. You cannot go wrong with this fragrance. This one is so nice, so well blended, not too strong, but still prominent around you. Very beautiful rose, not too sweet, not too potent, beautifully blended into the fragrance, as I said before. Very beautiful. It is, of course, the type of fragrance of either Shagaf Wood from Swiss Arabian or Lancôme Oud Bouquet. Either way, this one is so, so good. 25th of March from Profumo di Firenze. Another one will be alternative from J'adore Dior, which for me personally is quite a boring fragrance. So sorry for everyone who likes J'adore, but for me it's nothing special at all. And I much, much prefer Fifth Avenue from Elizabeth Arden. This one is really cheap as well. It's iconic and classic already. It has those beautiful bright flowers bouquet, and it's so, so nice. Perfect for every day, for any occasion as well. I know it's been reformulated, it's not as strong as it used to be, but still it is really decently priced fragrance and it smells really nice. Way more interesting for me than Dior J'adore. That is it for me. So yeah, Fifth Avenue from Elizabeth Arden. Another one is alternative for Zadig and Voltaire. This is her, and this one is from Zara again, and this one is Fields at Nightfall. So basically, if you like Zadig and Voltaire, this is her. This is it. This is so beautiful. This is creamy sandalwood, which is sweet. Like it has this candy sweet vibe, you know what I mean? Like buttery scotch. So, so nice. This is a type of sandalwood I really do appreciate. I really do recommend. I always like it. It doesn't have any pickly note or anything like that. Very, very beautiful. Yeah. Feels like Nightfall from Zara. And another one will be from Zara again, and it will be an alternative for Montale Intense Cafe. And of course, I'm talking about Zara Rose Gourmand. This one is easily available. That's why I'm recommending it to you. For me, it's like the jammy rose plus vanilla. I do not get any coffee. I do not get any coffee in Intense Cafe from Montale as well, so I do not know. But if you do, lucky you, I do not. But for me, Zara Rose Gourmand is really decently priced, and it is so, so good. Lasts really, really long time. So yeah, I highly recommend you try it. Another one will be alternative to Lancôme La Vie est Belle, which is exploited to the max already. And no one is talking about this fragrance from Montale, actually. It is not widely known at all. I'm talking about Oudmazing. So if you like Lancôme La Vie est Belle, but you are bored in general because too many people around you wears it and it's too recognizable, I would highly suggest you try Oudmazing, because it's just amazing. This is just amazing. And for some people, it doesn't remind them La Vie est Belle, so be warned. This is only my opinion as well. I'm in the bunch of people who are reminded of La Vie est Belle when wearing Oudmazing. I have it here on my hand. It's so good. It has rose, but this rose is not as medicinal as in other Montale fragrances, as in Intense Cafe, for example. It is not this rose. This rose is just like with velvety burgundy petals. It is juicy, sweet, slightly jammy, but not like this classic Montale jammy rose. Nothing like that. Nothing of the sort. This fragrance is very potent, very strong. It has fig. I think it has suede as well. So, so beautiful. It has oud, of course, but this oud is very clean, very easygoing. So beautiful. This is so, so beautiful, guys. You need to check it out. Even though if one reminds you maybe of La Vie est Belle, just try it because it is so, so good and much, much better than La Vie est Belle. And for the price, you cannot go wrong. Okay, so Montale Oudmazing. Another one is another very, very popular fragrance, of course, YSL Black Opium. And this one is exploited to the max as well. So instead of Black Opium, I would highly recommend you getting Nishane 100 Silent Ways, because for me it's like the older, more elegant sister to Black Opium. It is just more refined. It lasts really long time for me. The choice is obvious. This one is just better on my skin, at least. It doesn't get flat as the time progresses. So yeah, this one is so, so nice. And another one is Zerjoff Erba Pura. Of course, it needed to be here. And I have two alternatives, actually. Another one will be again from Profumo di Firenze, and I'm talking about Viandante. So if you are looking for less screechy, more shampooy and everyday version of Erba Pura from Zerjoff, this is it. This is so nice. Fresh, uplifting, fruity, like this fruit bowl, classic fruit bowl from Zerjoff, you know, but way more beautifully blended, at least for me, way more approachable and everyday. If you like your fresh, fruity, showery, shampooy scents, this one will be just perfect. Amazing. Viandante from Profumo di Firenze, and another one from Kinetic Parfums, and this one is Aura. This one, guys. Whereas Viandante is like more daytime version, this one is evening version of Erba Pura. And this one is so, so, so good. This one is so good. It's shampooy again, but it smells like your bougie tropical bubble bath, you know. And you can go out with this fragrance for a party or anything. It actually reminds me of parties during the summer. It will be perfect. So, so good. I really do like it. Kinetic Parfums Aura. So you need to check it out. It's very long lasting as well. Beautiful. And two last fragrances. I will tell you about Wilhelm Parfumerie, Poets of Berlin. And actually, good alternative to that fragrance will be Floral Street. It's Wild Vanilla Orchid. For me, those two fragrances are really, really similar. And Both of them were created by the same perfumer who is Jérôme Epinette. So yeah, the choice is obvious as well. Of course, if you like those Wilhelm packaging or anything, you can go and buy that one. But I think for now, if you are on the budget, especially Floral Street Wild Vanilla Orchid will be just fine. Basically, those two fragrances, Poets of Berlin and Wild Vanilla Orchid, are like fruity vanillas, very original and very summer appropriate. So I highly recommend you try it. And another one, last one, will be Alien from Thierry Mugler, of course, of course. And as we know, Alien is not as it used to be. It's too soapy, too weak. So I would recommend you Micallef Glamour. And this one, but many, is rated as the Alien before reformulation for me. This is Narcotic Jasmine combined with spices. Very beautiful, bold, intoxicating. Absolutely amazing, perfect for summer parties as well. So yeah, Micallef Glamour, I highly recommend you instead of Alien, because, you know, it is slightly, you know, it is slightly more expensive, but much better. So I would prefer to spend my money to this one. So the choice is obvious for me as well. So that was it for today. Let me know what are your alternatives to popular fragrances, whether they're better in quality or maybe in the price. I would be very curious to hear that. Thank you very much for watching today, and see you in my next videos. Bye bye.